Here is the before of the floor. Somebody, another company acid polished it a long time ago. Acid polishes don't last. And so we're going to clean this. Go ahead, Achilles. We're going to clean it, and we're going to start, and we're going to grind this floor down because it's a major mess. We're going to start doing that. While Greg works on these counters that somebody also acid polished. And acid polishing just doesn't last. So you can see where the acid once was, right here. But everywhere they wipe, the acid polish fades away, and you're left with what was below the chemical that was put down to polish. You're at the level that it was before they put the chemical polish on it. Whereas when you start walking on what we're doing with diamonds, you will wind up wearing the floor down level by level by level, and it won't be such an abrupt difference. It won't be so blunt. So we'll be back. Okay, here's the after, and we achieved this shine through diamond polishing. This is a semi-gloss finish. Look at the dog, it has its toy. And here's after we get done doing the polishing on the countertops. And this is all with diamonds. This is not an acid polish. So this will last them a little while, much longer than acid.